So you want to make your first funny face effect using YouTube's Effect Maker? Nice, let's get started. First, go to effects.youtube.com. Once you're there, click on Start a Project. Now head over to the Face Effects tab and select Face Paint. Effect Maker gives you a PNG face reference. You can download it right here. Inside the file, you'll find different types of face references. Choose the one that works best for your idea. I created a front-facing face image using AI and adjusted it to match the reference PNG using an image editing program. You can use Photoshop, Procreate, or any editor you're comfortable with. Basically, just make sure the face lines up with the template so it maps correctly on the 3D model. Once your image is ready, go ahead and upload it into Effect Maker. It'll automatically place it on a 3D face model for you. Super handy. Now you can scale it, move it, or rotate it just like you would with any image. On the right side, you'll see a few more settings. Let's check soften edges so it blends more smoothly, and uncheck cover eyes and mouth. We want those visible for expressions. You can also play with opacity and blend type to get different effects. Alright, that already looks kind of funny. But let's take it further. Let's deform the face a bit to make it even weirder. Click on the Stretch option under the Face Effect tab, then click Add Stretch. You'll now see a bunch of small dots appear over the face. Grab and drag them to stretch and warp parts of the face. Want to pull out the forehead? Shrink the chin? Go for it. You can get as weird or as subtle as you want. On the right panel, you can turn on symmetry if you want the effect to mirror on both sides, and use the intensity slider to make the distortion stronger or more gentle. You can also preview the effect on different face types using the preview window. Some of them are hilarious. You'll see how your filter behaves on a variety of faces and lighting conditions. Once you're happy with your distorted masterpiece, it's time to publish. Click on Submit. Upload an icon image. This is what people will see when browsing filters, so make it eye-catching but not too heavy. Then give your filter a name, something catchy, fun, and maybe a little ridiculous. Click Submit again, and your filter will go through a quick review process. Now go to the Manage Effects tab to check its status. Once it's approved, click the 3 dots, copy the link, and share it. You can now use your funny face effect in YouTube Shorts or send it to your friends for a good laugh. I actually uploaded a similar filter not long ago. It's already been viewed and used by a few people. Silly filters like this are perfect for reactions, memes, or just having a good time on Shorts. And that's it. You've just created your very first face distortion filter for YouTube. Easy, fun, and super weird in the best possible way. Now go stretch some more faces and make the internet a little funnier.